Welcome back to my channel.
The egg and vinegar experiment is a fascinating and educational activity for kids that demonstrates the effects of acid on calcium-based materials, like eggshells. Here's how to do it. Materials: you'll need raw egg, a clear glass or container white vinegar, a spoon or fork, a notebook and pen for observations, a magnifying glass, optional. Now let's start. Carefully place a raw egg into the clear glass or container. Make sure it fits comfortably. Slowly pour white vinegar over the egg until it's completely submerged. Observe what happens immediately and take notes in your notebook. You might notice tiny bubbles forming on the eggshell. Leave the glass with the egg and vinegar in a safe place for about 24 hours. After 24 hours, gently remove the egg from the vinegar and rinse it under running water to remove any leftover vinegar. Carefully observe the egg. You'll likely notice that the eggshell has changed. Gently tap the egg on the table to see if it's now soft. If it's still not soft, you can continue the experiment by placing the egg back into fresh vinegar for another day or two. What's happening here? Do you want to know? Okay, let me tell you. The eggshell is made of calcium carbonate, a substance that's hard and strong. When you place the egg in vinegar, you're exposing it to an acid, the vinegar, which is like a dissolving liquid. Over time, the acid in the vinegar reacts with the calcium carbonate in the eggshell. This reaction releases carbon dioxide gas, which you see as tiny bubbles. The acid gradually dissolves the eggshell, making it softer and weaker. That's why after some time, you can gently tap the egg and it won't break because the shell is no longer hard. This experiment helps you understand how acids can interact with materials in different ways. It's a fun way to see chemistry in action. This experiment is not only a great way for kids to learn about chemical reactions, but also a chance for them to make observations and record their findings, helping to develop their scientific inquiry skills. Additionally, they'll be amazed by the change in the eggshell's properties. Bye-bye, kids. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks. See you.